In this video, I want to really take a deep dive into why business plans are a necessary evil when it comes to building a business. Because, see, it's a solid roadmap for where you are and where you're going to take your business, right? But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Put in Work Burke for thewealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealth Builders Solutions LLC. And if you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over some key reasons why business plans are so important. Okay, a lot of people don't think business plans are really important, but they really are. Number one, clarity of purpose. The business plan helps define the purpose and objectives of the business. It forces entrepreneurs and business owners to think through and through their ideas, their goals, and their strategies, ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page. Okay, you want everybody to be on the same page. Number two, strategic roadmap. See, business plans outline the strategies and tactics necessary to achieve the business's goals. They provide a roadmap that helps in decision making and prioritizing actions, because you want to make sure that you don't fall off your original direction, because a lot of times that can happen. Trust me. So business plans keep you right there. Number three, resource allocation. If you don't know what that means, having a business plan helps in allocating resources effectively, meaning it outlines the financial requirements, including startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections, enabling better budgeting and resource allocation, meaning be able to put the money wherever it's needed. So if it's needed in operation, if it's needed in this, if it's needed in that, you'll be able to allocate the money in the right places at the right times for the right people. Number four, investor and lender confidence. If you seek funding from investors or lenders, a well-structured business plan is crucial. It demonstrates that you have thoroughly thought out your business concept and have a clear strategy for success, which can instill confidence in potential investors. Number five, risk assessment. See, business plans force entrepreneurs to consider potential risks and challenges that the business may face. Identifying and addressing these risks in advance can help mitigate them or develop contingency plans. Okay? Number six, market understanding. See, developing a business plan requires researching and understanding your target market, your industry trends, and competitors. This research is essential for making informed decisions and staying competitive, okay? Because you want to be able to be competitive. If you're not competitive, you don't make the monies. If you don't make the monies, your business don't make it. Simple. Number seven, operational efficiency. See, now the plan outlines the structure and operational processes of the business. This can lead to improved efficiency and productivity as roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. Anything that's clearly defined can be taken to the ultimate heights, because you know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it, and when you need to do it. You know what I mean? So defining clarity is essential. Number eight, goal tracking. Business plans establish measurable goals and key performance indicators. You ever heard of KPIs? Okay, you know what I'm saying? So this allows for ongoing tracking and assessment of the business's progress and helps in making necessary adjustments to stay on course. Get it? The roadmap. That's why the business plan is your roadmap. All right? Because listen, anything that can't be measured, you can't figure out if you're doing good or bad in it. Number 9, communication tool. A business plan is a communication tool that can be shared with employees, partners, and stakeholders. It provides a clear and concise overview of the business, making it easier to convey the vision and goals to others, especially if you're looking for funding, especially if you're looking for anyone to join you in business at the early onset of the business. A business plan can keep everybody focused on the goals. Number 10, legal and regulatory compliance. It ensures that the business complies with legal and regulatory requirements by addressing them in the plan. This can help prevent legal issues down the road. Get it? The roadmap. Right back to the roadmap. Number 11, succession planning. For businesses with long-term goals, a business plan can really help you set up a plan for your successors by outlining how the business will be transferred to new owners or leadership. Okay, if you're building a business to sell or pass on to your kids in the near future, you want to have a concession plan. Number 12, continuous improvement. Right, you gotta improve all the time, every day, in every way. See, business plans are not static documents. They can be updated and revised as circumstances change. See, this allows businesses to adapt to evolving market conditions and stay competitive. A lot of people think that business plans are stuck. Once you make the plan, it's that. No, you can change them, okay? It's your plan. You can change them. So, to wrap it all up in a nutshell, business plans are essential tools for both startup and established businesses. They provide a structured framework for planning, executing, and evaluating business operations, which is crucial for long-term success and growth. And who doesn't want to be successful for long-term? Who doesn't want to grow for long-term? If you don't, then you got mental issues. But seriously, thanks for watching. All right, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth with himself, Devon, put in work. Signing off for our business plans needed for a successful business, right? Now, before you go, click that link below and learn how you can get your own business plan created, all right, through this company called Live Plan. All right, great company, very easy to get your business plan done. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on a business plan. Every business needs one, especially if you're going to be starting from scratch and you don't know what you're doing. You need this roadmap. You gotta have it, all right? So check out the link in the description. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more.